What's up, everyone? If you've been looking for a way to grow your crypto portfolio without stares at charts all day, this video is for you. Today, we're checking out HashForge, a platform that's making professional cloud mining accessible to every crypto enthusiast out there. Whether you're a Bitcoin maximalist or a DeFi farmer, you need to see how this works. And stay tuned, because at the end of this video, I'm doing a live withdrawal of 0.5 SOL to show you the speed of their payouts. The beauty of HashForge is that it solves the biggest problem in mining, the hardware. You don't need to buy expensive ASICs or deal with heat and noise in your house. You're basically renting high-tier hash power directly from their data centers. The setup is lightning fast. You can literally start mining your favorite assets in minutes. I've been impressed by the consistent uptime and the variety of flexible plans they offer, which fit any budget. It's a clean, transparent way to earn passive rewards while you sleep. Now let's get to the proof. I'm opening my dashboard right now, hitting withdraw and sending 0.5 SOL straight to my wallet. And boom, transaction confirmed. If you want to simplify your mining journey and start stacking gains, HashForge is a solid choice. Check the link in the description to get started, and as always, stay bullish.